Hey there, it's Emily Reagan, the founder of the VA Crash Course, and I teach digital media skills, tech skills, social media, and whatnot to virtual assistants so they can be more than just an admin VA and so they can get hired online by online business owners. So I have a little techie trick I want to show you today inside our free Facebook group. I am working on a promo email sequence for my client Wendy. She just sent me a .movie. It's a little boomerang and I need to put it in an email. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to giphy.com, which is where you can find GIFs, and I'm going to turn it into a GIF because I cannot upload it into an email as a .movie. So I'm going to come here to create, and I'm going to choose a video. She's emailed me this boomerang right here. I do have an account, so bear with me. I hope it remembers me. Okay, it does. Okay. So you will have to sign up for an account. It's totally free. It's awesome. And here we go. It's going to trim my video. I could decorate it with text if I want. I'm not going to do anything. I just want it like this. Okay. I am going to add a source URL in case somebody found this. I'm going to leave it open to the public, and I'm going to make sure it goes to her page. I'm going to go ahead and add Paint Premiere. Just in case somebody found it. I don't know. She might be embarrassed by this, but okay. So right now I'm going to leave it on public and I'm going to upload it to Giphy. And then it'll be on Giphy. This is pretty cool because I can download it there for free and then put it in the email. Okay, here it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm on a Mac. I'm going to Control click and I'm going to save as, and see now it's a GIF image. So now I can put it in the email. So I'm going to say Wendy with a precious can of paint. So this is the text. This file image could possibly show up if the graphic didn't. So I wanted to name it something cute. So what I'm going to do is go over to my email that we're about to send out. I'm going to go ahead and drag it here. It's going to upload into ConvertKit, which is the email service provider I'm using. And voila, we have turned a .movie into a GIF and it can go out in a cute email. So if you love this type of work, I have my 10 most requested digital media VA tasks. It's in a freebie. You can click on the link in this description and download it. And I also just encourage you to get active in this group. We have tons of videos and free stuff and free trainings and interviews to help you open your eyes to this VA world, and more specifically, the digital media VA world. I just think it's so fun and I hope you do too. I'll see you next time.